This is a horizontal sublayout. When a user interacts with the horizontal sublayout, they can scroll horizontally to reveal more information. This sublayout is an example of a drawer effect. The drawer appears to be closed. When a user slides the drawer open, more information is revealed. Notice the iconography that has been made to visually tell the user what this interactivity does. To create a drawer, you start by defining a frame on your InDesign page. I'll define the frame height as 70 pixels. Since this document will be scrolling horizontally, this is the static measurement. Next, I'll define the width as 430 pixels. Now I can make the external sublayout by choosing File, New from the menu. You first need to turn off facing pages since this feature isn't supported. The width needs to be larger in order for the layout to scroll. I'll define this as 800. Then I'll define the height as 70. I'll delete the margins by setting all of these to 0. I'll click OK to create the new document. I've saved the contents of this sublayout in a library to save time. I'll place the library item on the page. Notice the frame I created on the left. The width of this frame is the same as the frame I defined in InDesign. This will be the area a user sees first because the sublayout will be aligned starting left. As long as there is nothing on the InDesign page in this area, all a user will see is the button. Notice how the button is contained in that area. If I slide the button and the rest of the drawer contents to the left, there is enough room to show the drawer contents. The box on the left is not needed. I just made that for instructional purposes. I can delete that now. The next step is to save this document and close it. In the original InDesign document, you can place the horizontal sublayout you just saved into the frame. Notice how all you see is just the button. Since the left side of the InDesign sublayout document was blank, there is nothing else to see. However, we have created the room this enrichment needs in order for the slide effect to work. Finally, you can apply the SubLayout enrichment. First, choose your frame that contains the sublayout. In the AVE Interactivity panel, choose the SubLayout enrichment. Define the scroll direction as horizontal starting left. All the other settings can be left set to default. You may want to shut off Show Scroll Arrows with Scroll if you already made icons as I have. You can now preview the document to see the scrolling drawer effect. Notice how only the button appears, and as I scroll left, the drawer is exposed.